welcome to the Galactic Racing Championships. Off to Arctic World again. Whoa! And now they're at the starting line, but not any longer. Over the bridge with his sail skier. Someone's been shot. And up onto the, well, I suppose you could call it almost a plateau. And down the other side, onto the frozen lake, into the pits, because basically that's the easiest way for Lewa to go. As you know, they all have practice laps first. Back over the bridge again, and when someone letting off a disc. Oh, spin out, mister. Up onto the plateau thing again, and down the other side again. Yes, someone going down onto the ice lake now again. So, and here's Lewa about to go onto the bridge. Someone I keep losing my tongue now. Someone let off a dog there. Lewa up onto the plateau again, and again, people on the ice lake. Lewa going down onto the ice lake. What? The ice lake through the pits. Not that he needs to get repaired or anything. And I suppose Leo has just won this race. See ya.